Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Art with Jayanta, and I am Jayanta Singh. Human figure composition with boards. Today my subject, and I got a picture with some people on a boat. Maybe they are fishing or something, talking on the boat. Just got the picture, the photo, and now I am trying to draw it on my paper, and I will color it with watercolor. So this is a basic just for beginners. Figure composition is very important lesson for beginners, and I am doing it for beginners how you can simplify any photo or figures from your reference photo. I am just drawing the gesture of these people, but not the exact what you can see in the photo, because the boat is here half, but I am painting the full boat on my drawing paper, and I also showing the reflection on the water of the boat and the people also. So beginners, please watch this full video very carefully and do it at home. Just practice it. By practicing human figures, you also can any figures, any composition very easily. And what colors I use, you can see in this video, and hope you'll enjoy the full process. Please watch my full video, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. You can get many watercolor, acrylic and oil painting tutorial on my channel. Thank you. Hello, thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoy it, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel.